Hello, my name is Krishna Vishwas. I would like to demonstrate my IESCP project. So this is the secret login page, only available to the admin. The admin can log in here via the username, by the default username and default admin password. Then here they can also change the username, the password, and via the settings. And then there is this dashboard where the admin can list all the can see all the list of the users, delete or undelete a user, flag or unflag a user. Also, they can export all the users as CS format, and same with the campaigns. All the listed here's all the listed campaigns. The admin can export all the ads all together on the platform, and then also they can see all the campaigns, flag or unflag campaign, permanently delete a campaign. Here is all the statistics related to the admin. You can see number of sponsors and influenced on the platform, number of activated users on the platform, number of flagged or unflagged users, and number of flagged or unflagged campaigns. Here is the monthly users registrations based on sponsors and influencers. Also the all over revenue across all the campaigns. And thank you. Thank you for that. Let's start with influence sponsors now. So you can list a sponsor here. Let's keep the name as sponsor. Then let's just put in leverage. Username as 01, password random password, register. And you can see a new dashboard, sponsor dashboard here. This is what a new sponsor dashboard would look like when a new sponsor logs in. This is the campaigns, profile, charts, settings, and then let's see a season sponsor here. This is what a season sponsor would look like. Let's see another. This is what a season's new sponsor would look like. You can change your profile picture from here in the settings, change industry, you name industry here, and then also you can see spendings, the amount of spendings we've done in campaigns, running campaigns, all over to the past, present, active campaigns. Here's the dashboard. Let's move forward to creating a campaign. Let's create a sample campaign. Let's keep it the date as 31st today and end it as like 10 days after. Budget would be like 2 lakhs. Let's keep it the visibility is public. Great. Let's send an ad request. Sample ad. Let's keep the payment as 5,000. Send it to Flame Asia. Send request. After the request is sent, I can hop back to the sample influencer here. This is what an influencer looks like. And then you can check here the new requests sections section. You can negotiate the amount here, like can tell to negotiate and also change the requirements. Negotiate here, submit successfully. You can see here the changes have been reflected here, and then we can negotiate again. And then we can accept, and then the influencer can do the work and then mark it as completed. There is payment pending, and the sponsor can then pay now. Here is the section date, keep the expiry date, like payment successful. It's payment successful. You can see the transaction, print the transaction. Okay, so then the sponsor can give a rating. Rate Flame Asia as 5. Very good, done. Very good. Very good. Oh, done. Submit. Read it already. Profile. You can check. Very good, done. 5 rating. 5-star rating are here. Okay, now this is how campaign section works. Campaign is done. Here are all the statistics related to the sponsor, all the active campaigns which are still active, and this ended is not passed. You can see charts with the other sponsors or influencers here. That's all. Let's start with the influencer now. So you can register influencer. Let's register with the industry food beverage. It should be fast food. Give an example influencer. Even 01. Let's give the password as random password. Yeah, okay. This is a sample dashboard for the influencer. This is how a new dashboard would look like. You can change the, this is the default profile picture. You can also change it in the settings. Then this is chat section or no chats. Initiate a chat and let's see, for example, let's chat with this guy. Hi. And you can see it has been uploaded here. Settings. You can change the profile picture here. As you can see, and you also can delete the profile picture. It'll be reverted back to the default profile picture. Let's keep it as this. And then also you can add manage social media for the influencer. Let's start with YouTube. Let's keep it as 320k followers. You can edit or delete existing profiles. For example, I can edit it and make it 3.2 million instead of 320,000. Updated successfully. You can see it being reflected here. And reach is the sum of all the followers. For example, let's say it's and the followers would be 320,000. 1,000. Let's give it as something else. 2,000. See, and you can see that reach has changed accordingly. This is how a new influencer profile would look like. Let's move it to a seasoned influencer profile. This is how a normal influencer profile would look like after it has gone through some requests. You can see all this. You can search for campaigns here. This is a sample campaign. Also, you can search for the campaigns. See sponsors. You can go to a sponsors page. You can see here. You can send an ad request. Let's say it's sample ad 01. Let's say 5,000. Send to Cadbury Moments. It's Cadbury sponsor. You can check it out. It's spending. It came from Climashira. Sample ad 1. You can negotiate and then accept or reject. Let's accept. Then you can see that here the incomplete requests. You can mark it as complete. Payment is pending. So you can pay. Same as we have seen before. This here is dashboard. As you can see, earnings, total earnings, monthly earnings. This is a data chart of different how much I've earned from different campaigns. This is the number of rejected and accepted ad requests related to my influencer account. This is the number of ad requests I have received, sent in this month, and so on. This is a line chart, and then this is all. You can see reviews here displayed beautifully. The links opens. This works. My charts. You can send a chat, different person and see. I have seen the guy saying hi, hello. My chats. This is chat with sample influencer. We can open sample influencer. And see that there are chats. Hello. Bye. That's all today. Thanks. Okay.